has been a lot of years since I bought some of these little conversation hearts because I haven't had kids in school to make cute little things in a long time. So I opened up this package and I was really inspired. I'm going to actually paint some of these. So what I found was super fun. In the package, you have regular things like call me, love you, you and me. But look how cute these new sayings are. They have bae, text me, goals, as in couple goals, totes, that's for the millennials, BFF, DM me, yes, as in yes queen, rock star, goat for greatest of all time. How fun is this? So we're gonna do some painting of some cute little hearts. Okay, so here's all my little hearts, and I did my best to color match them. So I have a yellow, an orange, a purple, a little bit of a minty color, and that's gonna be a pink because we're gonna add more water to it. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with a little bit of a pinky heart first. So right here, I'm just adding another little color, bringing in the orange. And on this reddish heart or this dark pink, what I noticed was that it got a little bit too much water. So I'm literally just wiping off the excess water onto a paper towel and just kind of vacuuming up that extra water that's in there and then brushing the pigment around. So you want to do that while it's still wet. Otherwise it gets kind of weird and like kind of a weird little vibe. All right, so now I'm gonna do a second layer, just kind of layering over the other ones. So I've got pink, pink. I think I'm gonna do some pink over here. Get ready for the best part of watercolor, the satisfying tape reveal. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. Love it. So I kept that part clean so that I could write this cute little saying here with I love you. And don't be afraid of your own handwriting. I think that when people look at this, they're gonna love whatever you write in however your handwriting is. Okay, so here we're going to start putting together the card. I just put some adhesive on the back, and I have a little piece of pink uh, paper that I'm backing it with, and putting some adhesive on the back of that. And we're going to put that all on top of our pre-made card. You can buy pre-made cards, you can make them yourself, but I like to give a little bit of a border on each, just kind of finishes it out. And super cute, love it. I mean, you could leave the card exactly like it is right now, or you can choose to do what I did. I found some twine at probably Michael's somewhere. I feel like I should get paid by Michael's for how much I mentioned them, but just kind of peas to go around. I just think it gives a nice little finished edge, and I super love this. So super cute. Gonna cut it and give it a little bow, and we'll call it done. I sure hope you enjoyed making this card with me today. I loved sharing it with you. Please comment down below if you liked it, if you'd like to see more of things like this. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Take care. Have a great day.